Hello ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I would like to congratulate Times Cyber Media for holding this prestigious event and thank you for having me over here. My topic is future of architecture in context of Indian society. First of all, I would like to say that architecture is unavoidable experience of life. As wherever we go, there are some kind of structures built by either nature or by mankind. So we architects need to be really conscious about what we design. There is a quote by a famous American architect, Frank Lloyd Wright, that the mother art is architecture. Without an architecture of our own, we have no soul of our own civilization. We have developed India so far with latest technology and innovations, but we have forgotten our Indian architecture in the process of development. We have created thousands of faceless facades in our metro cities that have no relevance to our Indian context. We have just adopted the Western template. But I urge everyone to adopt new technologies with the modification in our Indian manner. The aesthetics of a building should reflect Indianness. Secondly, I would like to say that since we are constantly developing, there is a need to focus on sustainable architecture and be conscious about the mother nature. There should be some environmental analysis before building up an infrastructure project. We need to build our buildings that consumes less energy, cause less damage to nature, and should promote use of renewable sources of energy. Like we have best weather to capture solar energy. Our openings should be designed in such a manner that we invite less heat so that we consume less energy. Thirdly, there are a lot of people facing health issues due to stress. So for this, I feel we need to incorporate more of recreational open spaces in all types of buildings, be it residential, commercial offices, hospitals, hotels, railway stations, airports, etc., so that we don't end up in concrete jungles, mostly in our metro cities. Then there is a major social concern that many people are homeless or are living in substandard conditions, as it is the vision of our Honorable Prime Minister to provide housing for all. But it's not only the government's responsibility. We need to research on our innovative construction techniques, maybe something made by recycled materials or waste material, to reduce the cost of construction so that we can make housing affordable for all. And one day, we can achieve the dream of having housing for all. So with this, our future generation will have a happy Indian environment. Once again, thank you for having me over here.
The emerging icon Architecture of the Year 2019 in Dadar and Nagar Haveli, and the winner is Mr. Hardik Panchal. Can we please have Mr. Hardik on stage to receive the award? Many congratulations to you.